Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's try making a chicken spread which you can store it in refrigerator up to 1 month. The normal chicken spread which available in the market are really costly. This one you can easily make it at home and have it with bread, parathas or chapati. So first let's marinate the chicken with some pepper powder, salt and cornstarch. So I have cut the chicken pieces into very small cubes like this. Mix it and keep it aside. Now take some tomatoes, ginger, garlic, some red chilies and add some water into it and microwave it for 10 minutes, or you can boil it in a pan. Now remove some excess water from it, add some yogurt and make it into a fine paste. Now take a pan and heat some oil. Now fry the marinated chicken. Once it is nicely fried and turns into a golden shade, take it out from the pan. Into the same pan, add the tomato paste and cook it till all the water evaporates. Once it becomes thick and the oil gets separated, add some finely chopped onion into it and mix it. Add some more water and mix it. Then add the fried chicken and combine it well. Now the chicken mix is ready. Transfer that into a bowl and allow it to cool down completely. Once it cools down, add some vinegar, some oregano and mix it. Now finally add some mayonnaise. Here I have used homemade mayonnaise. The recipe for that is already uploaded in my channel. You can check the description for the recipe link. And once it is mixed with the mayonnaise, the spread is ready. You can store it in an airtight container and keep it refrigerated. You can add this chicken spread onto a bread or parathas, make it into a roll and enjoy. It's so tasty and really creamy and delicious. So definitely try out the recipe, leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot, watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.